back to my channel. I'm Nicole, and today we are talking about toast. Now, who doesn't love toast? Like, is there anything that doesn't go good on toast? I don't know. Today we have 10 different ways to make toast, and I feel like I could make another 50 because there are so many possibilities when it comes to an open-faced sandwich that you toast and get all those delicious toppings on top, and it's just delicious. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner. There is no type of meal that you really can't have a toast for. So I'm really excited. Today we have 5 savory, 5 sweet, and you are gonna drool. They're so delicious. I love every single one of them, but I definitely wanna know which one is your favorite. So let's hop right in and let's make some toast. Toast number 1 is the All About the Beat. For this one, I'm taking a slice of toasted rye bread, slathering on some beet hummus. I actually have a recipe for my own, which I will link down below. Layering on sliced cucumber, chopped up Kalamata olives, and crumbled goat cheese. And there you have it, creamy, crunchy, and salty, all layered on to one toast. It's delicious. Toast number 2 is the Smoky Salmon. So for this one, I'm starting off with a slice of toasted dark rye, smothering on some good quality cream cheese, sliced cucumber, smoked salmon, thinly sliced red onion, capers, which kind of have like an olive taste to them, and for fun, a sprig of fresh dill if you have some on hand. There you have it, a creamy, smoky salmon toast, perfect for Sunday mornings. Next up we have the Tuna Melt, which is one of my personal favorites, and I want to give it some love. I'm starting off with a slice of toasted multigrain bread, and then I'm spooning on a generous amount of tuna salad. The full recipe will be on my blog. A link will be down below for you guys to check out. I love this one because it has some pickles, onion, and even a little bit of Dijon mustard that goes a long way. Grate on some white cheddar over top and then pop this into a broiler or toaster oven just to melt the cheese on top. And there you have it, a tuna salad with a twist. Next up, we have the Scramble. I love this one. It's perfect for busy weekday mornings. On a slice of toasted dark rye, I'm gonna layer on some avocado slices, top it with some scrambled eggs, a sprinkle of dried chili flakes, and a good heaping of some sprouts. You can really use any sprouts that you like, and you have a complete breakfast that is suitable for any day of the week. Next, we have the Sunnyside poached. For this one, I'm taking a slice of toasted multigrain bread, spreading on some pre-made pesto, a good helping of some mashed up ripe avocado, some heirloom cherry tomatoes, and a perfectly poached egg right on top. Season it with some salt and pepper and some freshly chopped chives. This is a gourmet breakfast that is worthy of Sunday mornings and maybe my favorite out of the savory options. Now moving on to the sweet toast, we're starting off with the Chocoholic. For this one, I have a slice of toasted multigrain. I'm gonna smother a generous helping of some chocolate hazelnut almond butter. You can find this at most health food stores. I will link the one I used in the blog post. Sprinkle on some fresh raspberries and sliced almonds for crunch. Who said you can have dessert for breakfast? Next up, we have the Love Toast, which is perfect for Valentine's Day around the corner. I'm starting off with a slice of toasted dark rye, smothering on some tahini, which is basically sesame butter, sliced strawberries that look like little hearts, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a drizzle of some good quality honey, and for a fun little pop, I'm sprinkling on some bee pollen. Both pretty and delicious. Next up, we have one of my personal favorites, the smoothie, because I couldn't resist. I love me a good smoothie. I have a slice of toasted multigrain. I'm spreading on some almond butter, plain Greek yogurt right in the middle. You can also use coconut yogurt, sliced banana, sliced strawberries, some bloobs, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Basically everything you could find in a smoothie. Why blend your smoothies when you can just eat them on toast? Next up, we have the Chunky Monkey, because who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate? Starting off with a slice of toasted dark rye, smothering on some peanut butter. I like the one that has a little bit of sea salt in it, sliced banana, and some mini chocolate chips. I mean, peanut butter, banana, and chocolate, always a go-to classic. Last but not least, we have the New York style, which is basically my version of cheesecake on toast. On a slice of toasted multigrain bread, I'm gonna smother on some good quality cream cheese. And for the topping, I've just stewed some frozen mixed berries on the stovetop. All the directions will be in the blog post. and just put a little sprig of some fresh lime. And I'm telling you guys, this actually tastes like cheesecake on toast. It's delicious. All right, health nuts, there you have it. Healthy toast 10 ways. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to film, and I would love to know which one is your favorite. Leave me a comment down below. I have the smoothie one here, which duh, I love me a good smoothie. So I thought I would put it on some toast. I'm gonna take a little bite. The yogurt is dripping. Oh. So good. This is so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to make these. I'm gonna have all of the recipes linked down below on the blog. Definitely go check that out. Also, today is the first day of our Mindful Morning Challenge. If you guys have not signed up yet, this is your last chance because it starts today. There's a link down below and you can join the private Facebook group. I'm doing live streams every single day this week, so definitely join if you want some tips on how to create a more mindful, perfect morning routine. I just dropped a blueberry, but I'm gonna finish eating this. Have a fabulous day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. See you guys in the next video. Bye.